There's a mine in Canada, Kidd Mine, Ontario, that goes down 2.4 kilometers. At the bottom of it, in a pocket of rock that's been sealed shut since before there were plants on this planet, there's water. Not there was water. There is water right now. And there's something swimming in it. Not theoretically alive, not might have supported life once. Currently, present tense, swimming. Now your first question is probably mine too. How do you survive 2 billion years with no sunlight, no plants, no food chain, nothing? The answer is almost insultingly simple. They eat rock. Specifically, they pull energy out of sulfate and hydrogen released by the chemical breakdown of the stone around them. No photosynthesis required, no oxygen required, just rock, water, and time, an obscene amount of time. And look, I want to be honest with you, this is simultaneously the most impressive and the most boring lifestyle imaginable. 2 billion years of doing literally nothing except slowly breathing rock in total darkness. No drama, no predators, no bad first dates, just vibing in the dark since before continents had finished arranging themselves. And Kidd Mine isn't even the strangest example. In a South African gold mine, over a kilometer down, researchers found an actual worm. Not a microbe, a multicellular animal, living in water that hadn't seen daylight in millions of years. They nicknamed it the devil worm. It's currently the deepest living animal we know of on land. Then there's a microbe called Desulfurudis audaxviator, found nearly 3 kilometers underground in another mine. This one's almost unsettling for a different reason. It doesn't need anything else to survive. No other species, no sunlight, no surface chemistry. It pulls its energy from radioactive decay in the surrounding rock and makes everything else itself. It is, on its own, a complete ecosystem. One species, self-sufficient for millions of years. And if heat's more your thing, there's Geogemma barossi, which survives at 121 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than boiling water. At sea level, that should not be biologically possible. It doesn't care. Here's the number that actually changes how I think about this planet. Scientists estimate the total mass of life living underground, what's called the deep biosphere, outweighs every human being on Earth combined by roughly 300 times. 300 times. We think of Earth's surface as where the life is, and the underground as basically empty rock. It's the opposite. The biggest biomass on this planet isn't the rainforest, it's not the ocean. It's billions of tons of microbial life, sealed in stone, that most of us will never see footage of because there's nothing to film. Just rock and something alive inside it. This isn't just a fun fact for a quiz night. Scientists studying the deep biosphere think it might tell us where life on Earth actually started. Not in some warm little pond on the surface like the textbooks love to say, but inside a crack in hot rock, fed by chemistry instead of sunlight. Which, if true, means the conditions for life might not need a nice blue planet with oceans and weather at all. Just rock, water, and chemical energy, which exist on a lot more places in this solar system than we used to think. I'll be honest, I went into researching this expecting tardigrades to still be the most impressive survivors on this planet. They're not even close. The actual record holders for things that should not be alive but are have been sitting 2 kilometers under your feet this whole time, not bothering anyone, just breathing rock since before plants existed. If you want the next one of these, there's an even stranger creature I didn't get into today, and it's living somewhere you'd never guess. That one's already up, links right there.